I'm up through the night. I can't.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen. If you're new to the channel, if you are an OE, I just want to say welcome back. Yes guys, I just want to show you guys my before. I'm about to go get my hair done. It's been a while. I did like a middle part traditional sewing weave, so that used to be my go-to hairstyle, but it's been like months, maybe like a year I think, but like it's been months I haven't done that. So I was just thinking, I was like, you know what, maybe I should just go ahead and get that done. So I had cornrows, so I just took it out. She's gonna wash it and she's gonna make it look nice. Stay tuned guys, keep watching if you want to see how, because I'm gonna try to record everything like I always do. So I'm gonna try to record everything, so stay tuned for this is the before, trying to do a 360 for y'all. Yeah, my edges be going, I don't know where they're going to, but like we're gonna try to work on the edges. But this is my before. Oh no. So this is my before. My appointment is at 2:30. I'm almost like running late, but guess what, it's just like 7 minutes away from my place, so she's not that far from me, so stay tuned.
Down the noise, say all the words out of my mind.
I have the light in it.
About who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away. They were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life.
Guys, happy Memorial Day weekend. It is a long weekend, so I decided to do a vlog. So I know it's been a minute, but Fam Bam and the kiddos, we're heading out for brunch. I know it's kind of late right now to call it a brunch, but like we're heading out with the kiddos to go somewhere and eat. I don't know exactly where we're going, but we've started something whereby we want to try out as many different restaurants as possible, try new food and everything like that. Are you excited?
Yep.
So as you can see, Hubby and I were doing the black and white thingish. Yeah man. So the kiddos are back there. As you get this, Courtney, oh, she is eating. Hey baby. And Kimura is back there in her car seat as well. So we heading out right now. I'm gonna try to pick up my camera, you know, while also try to enjoy the moment as well. So guys, I'll let you guys know where we get there, wherever we're going. Stay tuned. Happy Memorial Day once more, and hope you guys are having or had a great weekend, because it's gonna be over when I post this video. All right, see you. So guys, we finally just got here. We decided to come to this restaurant. This is gonna be our first time coming there. It's called Cazbar. I'm gonna show you guys, but you know, before we go in, your girl needs to take some pictures. So now I'm trying to put on my shoes so hubby can take. Yeah man, trying to put on my shoes. Baby, I'm ready. Thank you.
You'll be dancing on the moon. Maybe my compass was wrong, and I'm still on my way closer each day to where I belong. I'm still rolling the dice, praying sometimes don't last it long. I'm losing my faith, I'm walking away from what you knew all along. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. Child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing, dancing on the moon.
Yay! Baby, go. Ooh. We about to go eat.
Some Turkish food. Turkish food. Authentic Turkish food.
Take your phone, baby. Those pictures are really good.
I know. Honestly.
So they're really good, guys. I love the pictures. If you go on my Instagram, Hobby's been the one taking all my pictures. Like, he is so great with angles. He know my best angles, how to position and everything. He's so good. Make sure you go check it out. I'll see you guys when we get in. Guys, that is where we're going. Cazbar. See you. Hey. No.
How many for?
Yeah.
3.
Thank you. This place is beautiful. So guys, we just got seated. Now we about to. So they just brought us water. We about to look for something to order. Where did you go? So, you brought corn sandwich or chili? No, I don't know. I'm just it's okay. I think she's fine. Let me show you guys what Cazbar is all about. So guys, I'm currently under chef choices, and this is what they have so far. So they have a platter, I think for 90, and 2 people 180, and this food on the chef choices. But I think I'm gonna get something on the kebab, this one, and I think I'm gonna get the shrimp kebab. So this is really let's see what they have for kids.
Even for them, you don't take that time. For them, you don't take that time.
Yeah.
Hey, how are you guys?
Hey, Courtney.
Good. My name is Jazz. I'll be your server.
Okay.
Can I put in any drinks for you, or do you know what you would like?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Very good.
I need to get to where is
Iran, yeah, of course. It's good. Have you ever had like, it's like a yogurt drink, so it's kind of like, we call it lassi in like Indian, so I guess they have their own version of it. It might be a bit of an acquired taste. You can let me know if you like it or not.
Yeah.
But yeah.
The thing, it says it's kind of salty. Is it really that salty?
It's not that salty.
Okay.
Yeah, I had someone ask for me for more salt yesterday, so. Yeah.
Okay, that's really nice. I'm
Yeah.
gonna try.
I need to make a
Sorry, the babam.
Each baba meat? Yeah.
How you pronounce it?
So the C in Turkish is a J. So it's each baba meat. Each baba meat, yeah.
Ooh, I just learned something new.
You like it?
I have not tried it yet. Yeah, we don't really get to try the drink. You know, they don't want us drinking other jobs and stuff. But yeah.
This is our first time here. It seems like the place is right.
It is. It's really nice. The food is really, really good.
Yeah.
Anything I can put in for appetizers? So you guys said you haven't been here. So the mezes is where the appetizers are. You got your choice of hot, cold, and then if you're curious about something, you know what it has in it. Click on it, and it'll give you a description. So
I already know what I want to order. Can I just put that in?
yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll just go straight to entree.
Yeah.
Specialty?
Yeah. So the kebab, what is that? What does that mean?
So kebab is usually when it's on a little stick and they have it on there, but some of them don't come on a stick. Like the doner kebab is we shave it off, like we have the vertical grill and we're shaving it off, but it's still called a kebab because of just how it's.
Okay. Is this? I want to get the shrimp.
Shrimp kebab, okay.
And it comes with rice.
Rice and a slow side salad.
Okay.
We get the three-way.
The
Three-way.
Three-way lamb, yeah, of course. Lamb. Okay, perfect. I'll get those put in for you.
Thank you. And Courtney, what are you?
We have fresh lemon.
What is fresh lemonade?
Fresh lemonade. Thank you so much.
No ice.
No ice.
Yes, please.
Mama.
Oh yeah. Oh. You're sitting.
Hi, Mama.
Say hi. Say hi. Courtney. Say hi.
Say hi.
So guys, this is Aaron. It is like a yogurt drink, right? What did he say?
He said it's kind of like a yogurt, but it's more liquid than traditional yogurt.
Right, something like that.
So. It's good? It's not salty? Stop on. Look at Courtney's reaction.
You didn't tell him about the drink.
So it's fresh, like I can want some sugar?
Yes.
Yeah, if you don't mind. Big prize. Where's the big prize? Where's the big prize?
This is good.
I did. Filipinas. Like that.
And it's good, right? It's not like the food is fine. Actually, it's good.
Yummy rice. Yummy rice.
I love the rice.
Yeah, when it's there,
It's not dry.
yeah, when it's there, just white rice, it's better than be like plain. There's some seasoning to it still. Actually, you know what I think of?
You know, some people are just
Go ahead. You obviously.
come on, do your thing. At least come on.
Voice over. Okay.
So guys, we
We're all
just
set to
got
drive safely.
GPS. So we just got done eating. The food was amazing. Baby, what can you say about the place?
It was better than we thought, honestly.
Facts.
It was really good, really good.
So guys,
Very nice place, great service.
right?
Which is always key for me. At least I always look at reviews before I go anywhere.
So be sure to check it out and let me know if you like it as well. But the place is awesome. Food is pretty good. The service is mwah. And also exactly, food is great. Yeah, hubby just corrected me, and that is facts. And also the place is really beautiful inside. From outside you would think it was like maybe like a small place, but it is really huge inside. So make sure to go try it out. Baby, we need to come here sometime. It's nice inside. I've been there before.
You don't know how to go.
I do.